All right, now to Brevard County, where a family is pleading for answers after their father was taken by Immigration and Customs Enforcement from his driveway. And his daughter says she has no idea where he is or where he's being taken.
West Show's Brevard County reporter Megan Moriarty shows us how the family is now trying to navigate the legal system in all of this.
He's a good man.
Sheena Allende Smith has spent the last 4 days pouring through documents and calling attorneys, waiting patiently to get a phone call from her father, Jose Manuel Allende.
On Friday, my dad woke up and took my little sister to school. And when he got home, he made a cup of coffee, went outside, and he was greeted by ICE, Homeland Security.
Federal and local authorities detained 150 people in Brevard County over a 4-day period last week, with a focus on worksite enforcement at construction sites.
A month ago, I told him to be careful because they're gonna pick you up. You look Hispanic, you're covered in tattoos, you're a construction worker, they're gonna grab you. And he's like, no, I'm Cuban. I'm protected. They can't take me. I'm legal.
Jose Manuel Allende came here legally from Cuba through the Freedom Flights in the 60s and 70s, which was a large-scale airlift operation that took hundreds of thousands of Cubans seeking to flee the country. He came to America when he was 2 years old. He has an American driver's license and an American Social Security card.
He owns a home currently. He's a small business owner. He has a minor child. He has a child with a disability. He has everything that any of us have, all of us Americans. He owns a car. He has a driver's license. He's not an illegal.
But he does have a criminal record from more than 2 decades ago, and he never got his citizenship. His daughter says he was given a deportation order in 2016, but was told by the courts that he could never be legally deported if he was placed in the Cuban Family Reunification Parole Program, which he has successfully done for the last 9 years.
They came here legally. The government invited them in, and now the government's saying, get out. Why? Why does he have to get out after 58 years? It's not fair to us as children. I know I'm an adult, but he's still my dad.
Covering Brevard County in Palm Bay, Megan Moriarty, West 2 News.